Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be reacting to a teaser which just dropped like a couple of days back. This is Jai Bhim. This is an upcoming Tamil film which stars Surya in the lead role, and this will be releasing on Amazon Prime Video. I'm really stoked for this film because I love Surya. I think he's a great actor. And yeah, let's just not delay it any further. Let's just watch the teaser right away and then I'll share my thoughts. I'm pretty sure the trailer will also drop like in a couple of days. Okay, here we go.
என்ன நடந்துச்சோ அதை அப்படியே சொல்லணும். எதையும் கூட்டவோ குறைக்கவோ கூடாது.
மனுதாரர் ஒரு ஷெட்யூல் ட்ரைப்ங்கிறதுனால ஒரு விளம்பரத்துக்காக இந்த பெட்டிஷனை போட்டிருக்காங்க.
ஓ போஜோத்த கன்சோல்
ஒண்ணு வர முடியாது. ஒளிச்சு கட்டிடுவேன்.
என்ன கேக்குதாது தனது ஆசத்து நடிறோம்.
எந்த ஆதாரமும் இல்லாம நம்ம கேஸ் போடுறது வெறும் 3 போலீஸ் எதிர்த்து இல்ல, இந்த அரசாங்கத்தை எதிர்த்து.
ஒரு ட்ரைபல் பொம்பளைய ஹைகோர்ட் வரைக்கும் வர விட்டுருக்கே, உனக்கு வெக்கமா இல்ல?
பாதிக்கப்பட்டவங்களுக்கு மறுக்கப்பட்ட நீதி அவங்களுக்கு நடந்த அநீதியை விட அதிக பாதிப்பை ஏற்படுத்தும்.
இந்த ஜாதியில் இருக்கவங்க நிறைய பேர் திருட்டு கேஸில் கன்வெர்ட் ஆகிறது ரொம்ப சகஜம் சார்.
திருடங்கள் அதை ஜாதி இருக்கா நட்ராஜ்? உங்க ஜாதி ஏன் ஜாதின்னு எல்லா ஜாதியிலையும் பெரிய பெரிய திருடங்க இருக்காங்க.
Oh man, this is going to be one intense watch. Let me stop this. Firstly though, I would say props to Surya and Jyotika for greenlighting this project. Not a lot of makers would do it, honestly speaking. And firstly, I want to say that this is going to be an important film. I cannot predict, really, I'm not able to predict how the response is going to be for this film, even before the release, because this is such a topic that, a lot of people might get upset because you see from the teaser that this is, a case, a fight between a person who is belonging to scheduled tribe, this lady who is seeking justice, versus 3 cops. So, and the cops, you see them, beating those people so badly, and I don't know what the context is because it says it's from true events. So, of course, before the trailer drops, at least I'll do my own research and find out what happened. Or if somebody knows, please do share that in the comments below. So, somebody could stand up and say, oh, the cops are getting, represented in such a bad way. And they can protest, they can stand up and say that, oh, this is like too extreme, it has been shown in a very extreme way, and that is not the whole truth. Maybe for the sake of movie, it has been shown. But whatever said and done, I feel this is such an important topic because casteism in our country is the ugly truth. The people do face discrimination basis on their caste, and that is something that cannot be denied. I mean, if you're living in India and you say that, oh, casteism does not exist, then yeah, probably living under a rock, I would say. But the fact that Surya and Jyotika, basically as producers, they decided to give this project a chance, I'm really happy. And Surya playing, the lawyer over here who's seeking justice, just, it sets a really good example, and it sets, he's taking a stand here. Because Surya is an influential person, he's a superstar, so whatever, there is a certain sense of influence that he has towards his fans, and him doing such films and him portraying such characters is definitely at least going to set a certain kind of precedent in the industry, and for the people to at least see that yes, but through this movie he's taking a stand. So I feel that's really great of him to do as an actor and as an influencer, if I should say so. because he knows that his voice will be heard. So that's great. And not a lot of actors, honestly, if I should say so, not a lot of actors would agree to do such a project. That's the hard fact. That's the hard fact. And so the movie looks very, very intense, where they have given out a little bit of the storyline where you see that these 3 cops, there is a case against these 3 cops, and Surya specifically said, it's not just, I am not just, fighting this because, this is one person from scheduled tribe, belonging to scheduled tribe, and versus these 3 cops. This is going to be a fight, against the entire government. So, whoa, I don't know what is the response going to be after. I hope that after the teaser released, because I haven't seen any sort of news about this particular teaser. But if the trailer after the movie gets released, and if there is some sort of backlash that, oh, this is not done, how can you make such a film, this and that, I won't be surprised. Honestly, I won't be surprised, because these the kind of things at least we have seen happening. So, but I'm really happy with this teaser. I'm waiting for the trailer and of course the eventual release of this film. I definitely want to know your thoughts, guys, on this. What do you think? And do you think that this movie is actually going to be a game changer? Now, I hope because now this is based on true story and true events, basically, not story, true events, that it will at least start a conversation. Maybe it'll at least start a conversation, and the fact that this is having an OTT release, the reach is going to be much more versus if it had a theatrical release. So I think this was a very conscious decision, probably by Surya and Jyotika, because they are the producers, that okay, no, this is a movie that needs to be released on OTT. So I think that's a great decision, because this will reach more people. I am looking forward to it, definitely. 2nd November, not very far off. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. Those were my thoughts on a Jai Bhim teaser. We just got a glimpse of the film, and I really like the last dialogue where he said that, in every cast there are thieves. It's not that any cast is devoid of not having thieves. Every cast has thieves. So that's a very strong line. So I think the movie is going to have such really strong, hard-hitting dialogues. And Surya's acting looks amazing. So overall, then we of course got a glimpse of Rajesha and Prakash Raj. So yeah, looking forward to it. So yes, that was the reaction, guys, and those were my thoughts on the Jai Bhim teaser. Definitely want to know your thoughts on this. Do share them in the comments below. And yep, we'll be signing off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye.